going to draw a classic style superhero, Elite. The world is facing a terrible threat, and who better to create for our team than a hero plucked from the golden age of comic books? We'll start with a long, thin oval for the face. Take your time with it, because even ovals can be tricky. Next, we'll divide the face in half both vertically and horizontally. Then we'll add in 2 more lines, which will divide the bottom half of the face into 3.
Whoa, Will. I know that faces don't have lines drawn across them.
The face is a hard thing to draw, so these lines will help us figure out where to place the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and the ears.
That makes things a lot easier. Mind blown.
Let's use simple shapes to add in the facial features. 2 circles for the eyes, semicircles for the nose, and a wider semicircle for the mouth. The lines for the eyes and nose work as anchor points for where the ears will both start and end.
So it's like a map for your face.
Exactly. Next, I'm going to draw on the hairline using straight lines. I'll draw the eyes using just a single line for the upper eyelid. We'll thicken that line for the eyelashes. Then we'll cut out a little circle on both eyes for the highlights before filling them in nice and dark.
You can draw an eye with just a small line and a circle.
Yup, there are lots of ways to draw eyes. This way was used a lot in the golden age of comic books. All you really need is this line for the upper eyelid and a circle for the pupil. We'll do the same now for the rest of our facial features. I'm going to put in 2 circles for the nostrils, then 2 semicircles replacing our simple shapes with a more stylized version. I'm actually going to break the mouth into 2 semicircles for either side with a little dot for the edge of the mouth. Then we'll use a thick line underneath the mouth for the shadow that's created by the bottom lip. Because he's a superhero, I want to change the jawline from a round jaw to a square jaw to give our character strength. Another thing that will make him look strong is a wide neck.
Now, if you ask me, necks are overrated.
Anyway, I'll keep the details for the ears simple and stylized with simple semicircles and circles. And now it's time for the mask. Let's start with a simple rectangular shape above the eyes. We can make them look edgier by adding in these triangles on either side.
Wait a sec, they look just like cool eyebrows.
Exactly. Superhero masks are often exaggerated features of the face designed to look either awesome or in some cases intimidating. And these cool shapes were drawn by combining rectangles and triangles. Let's draw the bottom of the mask by starting with the area that rests on his nose. Then let's use angled triangles and curved lines to complete a great looking shape for the outline of our mask. Let's complete it with these angular shapes for the bridge of the nose.
Hey! Okay, pause there. Sometimes Will draws a little fast because he wants to show as many tips as he can because he's such a show-off. But make sure you pause him and draw it at your own pace.
Oh! What was that? Okay, for the hair, I want to draw on a textured, bumpy line that is raised off his head because most haircuts aren't skin tight. I'll add a costume detail around the bottom of the neck with some semicircles and then some straight lines for these strong neck muscles. Last but not least, let's colour in the hair.
Ooh, I can do that. Oh, went outside of the line there. Don't worry.